Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's another beautiful video, guys. If you are new to this channel, you're welcome. My name is Julia. So guys, in this video we are going to be unboxing African food stuff just arrived from Nigeria, guys. So let's do the unboxing with me, guys. If you are not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for, guys? Please do subscribe. Thank you in advance, and thumbs up this video if you found it helpful. Bye guys. So this is the dry fish. In my tribe, we call it a bewaria. So it's very big, it's well clean, it's shiny and very big. See how beautiful it is, guys. And it's really much. So here I have my ogbolo. It's clean, well clean as well, and it's very dry and beautiful. And it's very easy to blend. So it's really beautiful. So I still have much other things. The wall is really much. See how beautiful it is and it's clean. So yeah, I have my BB crayfish. So I also have normal crayfish. So and dry pepper soup spices, dry bitter leaf. So I have much, I have a cow alum. So the really, you see, this one is beautiful. All the way from Niger. This is bitter leaf, dried bitter leaf. It's really much. Here is dried pepper. This pepper is it's very hot, very hot. So when I used to use it to cook, so I take little quantity. So that's all, guys. Just sit down and enjoy the rest video. So because right now my baby, she will start disturbing. So she's at my back making some noise. So that is it, guys. Thanks for bossing with me. See you in my next video. Tell me in my comment section what you think about this African. This here I have my I forgot to mention it. Oh, melon. Yeah, melon, guys. So yeah, the seasoning, all purpose seasoning. So I've not used it before, so it's my first time. Though it's really nice. It's good. So crayfish. So guys, I'll leave you guys to watch the rest video anyway. So see my next video and tell me what you think about this Africa things, because this thing is good, because here in Europe it's cost. So it's good when you bring it from Nigeria when you have someone. So thanks to my family anyway. Here is pepper soup spices. There are different type. So guys, please thumbs up this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. As you do so, God bless you. Thank you for your support, guys. Thank you for always coming around to watch my video. I do appreciate you all, guys. Thank you once more. Bye.